There are 5 main stages that water passes through before it is certified safe for township supply. So what the industry does is to run their pipe into this water body and collect the water into a chamber where the first purification process happens. And that purification process is called coagulation. Dear JAMB candidates, you are welcome to this series on JAMB chemistry syllabus for 2025. We are on the topic water, and this is the last phase of the topic, which is item 6D of JAMB chemistry syllabus, and the topic is purification of water for town supply. Now, this is what the water board does before they start distributing water to dwellers around the town. They will make sure that the water is safe for drinking. And there are 5 main stages that this water must pass through in order for it to be certified safe for drinking. And you are supposed to know these 5 stages because it is right there in the JAMB chemistry syllabus. Before I continue, if this is your first time of seeing this channel, click on the plus sign and give us a follow on TikTok, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are a JAMB candidate, kindly go back to the previous videos on this broad topic, water, and possibly watch them before you watch this one. Now, there are 5 main stages that water passes through before it is certified safe for township supply. So what the industry does is to go to raw water. By raw water, I mean stream, river, lake, ocean, or even sea. So what they do is to run their pipe into this water body and collect the water into a chamber where the first purification process happens. And that purification process is called coagulation. Coagulation is the addition of chemicals known as coagulants. Example, alum. Now, when coagulants are added, what they do is to attract impurities, especially solid impurities, bring them together and precipitate them as visible solid particles. What this means is that once you add coagulants and turn the water, within a short time, you start seeing particles, visible particles appear from the water. And these particles are impurities that have been in the water. That is the first stage. The second stage is where this water that has been coagulated is passed into the second chamber where it is allowed to settle. Settling of this water is what is called sedimentation. These solid, heavy particles are now allowed to settle at the bottom. Look at it. They will settle at the bottom as sediments. And through a tap, they are flushed out of the system, leaving the clear water to enter another chamber where filtration occurs. This filtration could be carried out by pieces of stone, sand, and even filter paper, so that the remaining particles that constitute impurity will be filtered off the water, leaving a clearer and cleaner water behind. Now, this cleaner water is passed into the next chamber where germs are terminated. There are 2 main ways of killing germs. Number 1 is by introduction of chlorine, because chlorine is a germicide. And if chlorine is used, it is called chlorination. And in fact, this stage is disinfection stage, where chlorine is used to kill germs like bacteria and other pathogens. Another thing they use to kill germ is UV light, ultraviolet light. These ultraviolet lights will kill or attenuate the germs present in the water. And after this stage, the water is now safe for municipal or town supply. But one stage remains. This water has to be stored before it is distributed. Therefore, it will pass into a storage chamber, or what is called water reservoir. And these are the chambers where purified water are stored before it is distributed. After storage, the next is distribution. Now, in advanced township, pipes are run from this reservoir directly to people's houses, where they make use of the water directly. But where pipes are not run that way, vehicles that carry water tanks go straight to the reservoir to pick this water and distribute to households. So these are the stages of water purification for town supply. If you found this information useful, share it especially to JAMB candidates 2025. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.